Hi, let me walk you through this make.com workflow I recently built. It automates the entire process of generating KPI reports to track website performance. The main goal was to rely mostly on Make's native tools and avoid any extra subscriptions, keeping the system lean and cost efficient. In practice, this automation saves about 2 to 3 hours per report, and more importantly, it eliminates human error. It's extremely useful for SEO and digital marketing agencies, as well as business owners who manage their own online presence. Overall, it's a pretty comprehensive setup, around 90 nodes after optimization for token efficiency. The architecture is modular, meaning each branch handles its own section of the report. The key modules powering this workflow include Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Data for SEO, Google Sheets, Apify, Make Code, and Make AI. The workflow begins with a report template. It initializes the report generation and populates the month and year values dynamically. Once initiated, the workflow branches out into six main parts. The first branch triggers a crawl job for the website using the Data for SEO API. Since crawling is an asynchronous process that can take some time, I've used the pingback URL feature from Data for SEO to automatically call a sub scenario when the crawl completes using webhook. That sub-scenario receives the crawl parameters, fetches the data, and fills that section of the report. The second branch handles the organic sessions, sessions versus revenue, and yearly sessions comparison sections. This part pulls data directly from Google Analytics, transforms it to generate metrics for these sections. Moving on, the third branch focuses on keyword performance, analyzing traffic and position trends using the Google Search Console API. The fourth branch takes care of session analytics and top page trends, giving us a clearer view of which pages are performing well and how user behavior evolves over time. Then comes the fifth branch, one of the more advanced parts of the setup. It's responsible for website overview metrics such as domain authority from Ahrefs, organic and paid keyword data, traffic matrices, and referring domain versus traffic charts for both our site and competitor sites. Here, I've leveraged the new Make Code feature. It is powerful and helps consolidate multiple operations efficiently. Finally, the sixth branch manages the summary section. For this, I've used the native Make AI module, which acts as a built in alternative to OpenAI's API. It generates natural language summaries based on the collected data. I've also integrated Make's data store for long term data persistence, allowing information to be stored and reused across report runs. And that's it. The end result is a fully automated, data driven KPI report that's built from a blank template and generated in just a few minutes. It's accurate, time saving, and eliminates repetitive manual work, making ongoing performance tracking effortless.